Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love keeping your car looking brand new, today's video is for you. We're diving into the top 5 best car buffer polishers for 2026, from professional grade tools to options perfect for beginners. I'll break down each one, show you what it's capable of, and help you decide which polisher is right for you. So, if you want that perfect showroom shine, grab a cup of coffee and check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Makita 9237C 7-inch Polisher, Blue. The Makita 9237C is a powerhouse. When I tested it on my car, it handled stubborn scratches and oxidation effortlessly. The variable speed dial allows you to go from light polishing to full paint correction. One of my favorite features is its smooth operation, no jerky movements, which helps prevent swirl marks. 7-inch dual-action polisher, variable speed from 600 to 3000 RPM, powerful, smooth motor, ergonomic, professional-grade design. Pros: strong motor, professional finish, durable and reliable, comfortable for long sessions. Cons: heavier than some alternatives. Higher price point. If you're planning on detailing multiple cars or large surfaces, this is the one to go for. Number 2. Griot's Garage G9 Random Orbital Polisher, 11091. Griot's G9 is one of my personal favorites. Its dual-action system makes it nearly impossible to damage the paint. I especially liked how comfortable the grip is, which is great if you spend hours detailing. This polisher gave my car a showroom shine without leaving swirl marks. 1000-watt dual-action buffer, 6-inch backing plate and ergonomic grip. Variable speed, great for polishing, waxing, and swirl removal. Pros: smooth and professional finish. Ergonomic design reduces fatigue. Powerful motor for bigger jobs. Cons: slightly bulky for small hands. Take some practice for beginners. If you want professional results but don't need a super heavy-duty machine, Griot's G9 is perfect. Number 3. Chemical Guy's TORQX Dual Action Random Orbital Polisher. This polisher is lightweight, which makes it perfect for smaller vehicles or detailed areas. I tried it on both my car and my SUV, and the results were impressive. Its 8mm orbit gives you that perfect blend of power and finesse. It's also very beginner-friendly. 700-watt motor, 8mm orbit, lightweight at 4.7 pounds, suitable for cars, trucks, and SUVs. Excellent for paint correction. Pros: lightweight and easy to handle. Great for precision work. Perfect for beginners. Cons: less power than professional-grade polishers. May take longer on large surfaces. If you're new to car detailing or have a smaller car, this is an excellent choice. Number 4. ShineMate Dual Action Polisher, 6-inch. ShineMate is great if you want a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality. I tested all 4 included polish pads, from heavy cutting to finishing polish, and it handled them very well. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for home detailers. 6-inch corded random orbital polisher, comes with 4 polish pads, variable speed. Pros: affordable and versatile. Multiple polish pads included. Lightweight. Cons: corded and limiting mobility. Not as heavy-duty as professional options. This is ideal for someone just starting out or doing a few cars a year. Number 5. Meguiar's MT300 Variable Speed Dual Action Polisher. Meguiar's impressed me with its precision. The digital torque management is a game-changer. It prevents over-polishing and ensures even results every time. It's lightweight, ergonomic, and perfect for pros or serious enthusiasts. Professional-grade car scratch remover and polisher. Digital torque management. Variable speed for precise results. Pros: professional and precise results. Ergonomic and easy to handle. Great for paint correction and swirl removal. Cons: higher price point. Requires practice for best results. If you want professional results and plan to do detailed paint correction, this one is worth the investment. Alright guys, that's it for our top 5 car buffer polishers of 2026. I hope this helped you figure out which one is the best fit for your car and your detailing style. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps me out. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you won't miss any of my future car care reviews and tutorials. I'd love to hear from you. Which polisher would you pick and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I might feature some of your responses in my next video. Thanks for watching, keep your cars shining, and I'll see you in the next one.